Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 Pro and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll and then find the system and updates and tap on software update at the top. As you can see, your device is checking for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, and the second one is where your device will actually find the update and it will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to download and apply it on your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.